Hey guys, it's Claudius Cat 33 here, and today I'm doing a Q&A. So for first off, that's not an actual sentence, or that isn't grammatically correct. That's blech. I haven't done commentary in a while. So I'm doing a Q&A. Don't ask anything too personal. Don't ask anything too inappropriate. I just did this because it's easy and fast. Also, the deadline is June 14th. Actually, for you guys, I'm gonna bump it up a few days. June 17th. There you go. 10 days. Ask as many questions as you want, but don't ask more than 10. And this is what am I saying? Anyway, just ask some questions. Don't ask anything too personal, and don't be inappropriate, because if I won't answer your question, I'll probably delete your comment. So, thanks for watching, and bye, I guess. I'll see you later.